Hello children, today in this video we are going to see about excretion. Okay, so excretion in human being. Excretion, first we can see about the definition of excretion. So when the cells of our body perform their functions, waste or produced. Okay, so when our cell perform different functions, it will produce waste which are toxic to our body. Okay, so as it is a toxic waste, it has need to be removed from the body. Okay, it has to be removed from the body. Okay, so the process by which the waste are removed from the body is called as excretion. Okay, so our cell perform different functions. So when it is performing different functions, it will produce waste which is toxic to our body. It has to be removed from the body. So the process by which the waste are removed from the body is called as excretion. In unicellular organism, how the excretion process will be, or how the waste will be removed by the process called diffusion. Okay, in unicellular organism, waste removed by the process called diffusion. In higher animals, they have specialized organ for excretion. Okay, in higher animals, they are having specialized organs for excretion. Now, let's see about excretory system in humans. The excretory system in human consists of pair of bean-shaped kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Okay, so what are the parts which is involved in the excretory system? Pair of bean-shaped kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. So here you can see the picture of human excretory system. So it contains bean-shaped kidney, then two ureters, then urinary bladder, then urethra. First, let's see about kidney. There are two kidneys. Okay, there are two kidneys in human being. These pair of kidneys are located in the abdomen. Okay, where it is located? Abdomen, one on either side of backbone. Okay, so these two kidneys are there in human being which are located in the abdomen, one on either side of the backbone. Each kidney contain large number of coiled tubes called nephrons. Okay, each kidney it consists of large number of coiled tubes called nephron. So these nephrons are basic structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay, so each kidney consists of large number of coiled tubes called nephrons. These nephrons are the basic structural and functional unit of kidney. Kidney excrete urea, uric acid and water. Now, the waste product will dissolve in water, will form urine. Okay, so the waste product mixed with water and form urine. So urine contains 95% of water, 2.5% of urea and 2.5 percentage of other waste products. Okay, so waste products, it will dissolve in water and form urine. This urine contains 95 percentage water, 2.5 percentage urea, 2.5 percentage other waste products. The urine which passes from the kidney through the two ureters. Okay, so the urine from the kidney, it passes through two ureters, and from the ureters it will pass to sac like urinary bladder. Okay, in this urinary bladder, the urine will be stored temporarily. Once the urinary bladder is full, urine will passes from the urinary bladder to the urethra, and it will goes out of the body through an opening which is present at the end of the urethra. Okay, so the urine which is formed in the kidney, it will passes through the ureter, and from the ureter it will pass through the urinary bladder, where it will be stored temporarily. That means it will be stored there for few minutes, few hours. Once the urinary bladder is full, the urine will be passes from urinary bladder to the urethra, and that at the end of the urethra there is an opening through which the urine will be eliminated out of the body. Now, other excretory organs in human. In humans, major excretory product is urea. Okay, and other excretory organ in human is skin. Okay, so what is the use of skin? The skin help to remove dissolved salt and excess water. Okay, which is removed in the form of sweat through sweat gland. Okay, so skin remove dissolved salt and excess water in the form of sweat through sweat gland. Now, lungs, it will remove carbon dioxide by the respiration process. Lungs will remove carbon dioxide by respiration process. Then liver, it will remove excess sugar from our body by converting it into glycogen. Okay, so liver, it will remove excess sugar by converting it into glycogen. Then large intestine present in our stomach, it removes solid waste in the form of feces. Okay, so lungs will remove carbon dioxide by respiration process. Liver, it will remove excess sugar by converting it into glycogen. Then large intestine will remove solid waste in the form of feces. I hope that you all understand about the excretory system in humans, and we can continue the next part of this chapter in the next video. Thank you.